From KwaZulu-Natal, ngithi nonke mabhinqa elibhilonga ngaphansi kwabuholi bami fulani lazi iqiniso ningadukiswa abantu awazi umlando bawufundisise niyezwa njengamanje we are in a space of reality. Challenges have been there and all criticism has been there, but today is the day of the final day. That's why I am here to put a stamp ukuthi asikwazi ukuba nama-coalition government. Therefore everyone must vote ANC. Ayaya ANC, ayaya. Ayaya Cyril Ramaphosa, ayaya. Ngomhla ka-29 ngicela ningalokothi nisenzele into. Ngisebenzisa ilungelo lami mawuthanda ungezokuthandayo. Kodwa mina mawumholi abantu awubayisilaba bafuna ukuya khona ubasa la kufanele baye khona la kufanele beniye khona kula sifikela khona umbuso wethu African National Congress ANC siyakhala manje ayikhale hamba namabhinqa ngilapha nje ngimenyeyeni mongameli uyilaleleni inkinga zamabhinqa uzoyilungisa. Can we give them the chance of the last time? Thank you.